I present to you a very much revised edition of the Writing English Using Runes alphabet for English that I came up with. This new version allows far easier usage with the English language than the previous one. Every single letter in the English alphabet has a runic counterpart as shown on this diagram, which may be used as though it is English and nothing more complicated than that. So you spell the word happy as hail, oak tree, pear tree, why. As you may see, you do not have to learn anything about how each rune was originally pronounced in the ancient languages, Old English, Proto-Norse etc., other than which ones correspond to which English alphabet letters, realizing that prioritizing the English that exists and is used in the present time, over languages that have no remaining living speakers, of the non-changed Old English and Proto-Norse that is, means that we should adapt our usage of the runes to fit the current day English rather than being completely accurate to the original sounds and struggling to find a way to make it work in English. New concept. Aqua-shaded runes. These alternative runes letters exist in my alphabet formula purely to add flavor and a separate character to each person's writing. One person may like to use heathen god, where another may like to use inherited land. In the rules of my alphabet formula, both of these runes simply mean the letter O, and there are no rules of when to use each of them, allowing you creative freedom, choice, and preference over which runes you would rather use. This means that even if most people will find it easier, faster to write the sail rune, if you prefer the look of the soil rune, then you can simply use it instead. This results in the alphabet having 37 letters, which is considerably more than English. The possibilities and expanded variables should surely create a more interesting and enjoyable written language experience. If you feel intimidated by the idea of trying to write these runes, and are in disbelief that you would be able to write them nicely yourself, chances are quite high that you have never tried. I can assure you that writing runes is easy. Hope you enjoy. There are 8 aqua-shaded runes in total, creating many possibilities of different writing flavors. But remember, the runes in guaz and thorn, equivalent to the ng and th sounds in English, must be used at all times where they are necessary. This runic English is very beautiful when written. The happiness possibilities are vast. This rune English system was created by Hilda,